Hi, my name is Keith Ferguson with Grand Rapids Community College. I'm an instructor that teaches the construction remodeling program located at the Tassel Tech Center. What you see behind me is a home that may seem like it doesn't need a lot of remodeling work to it. Yet any home has the potential to be brought up to environmentally friendly standards. We're going to re-side the home using a recycled content siding, and we're also going to replace the windows using low-E thermal pane glass. The roof will be left intact. We'd like to add gutters and downspouts and run the rain runoff into a rain garden, thus eliminating the potential of running water into the city sewer system. In a moment, we'll take a walk inside and we can show you some of the other features and modifications that we'll do to this beautiful home. Before we go in the home, I'd like to take a moment to discuss some of the vegetation that you see outside here. Our goal is to take the vegetation here currently and to replace it with drought-tolerant plants, grass seed that's drought-tolerant. Again, you don't have a big use of watering. Keeping the water bill low is our important thing, plus we're not bringing water out of Lake Michigan. The plants that you see here will be removed. They'll be taken away from the foundation, creating a possibility of rot as it retains the moisture. And the grass that you see in the back will also be a drought-tolerant plant. So our whole goal is to be as drought-tolerant as we can, to take the rainwater through our gutters and downspouts to run that into a rain garden, thus leaving the water here instead of putting it out in the street and into the storm system and then out into Lake Michigan. We're trying to retain as much of the natural water that we have here to use in this facility or this place and not use as much city water. The first thing we'll be doing is getting rid of this beautiful red paint. But let's take a walk upstairs and I'll show you the kitchen and some of the other areas that we'll be dealing with. Welcome to the inside. As you can see, we'll start here in the kitchen. The cabinetry that you see here will be removed, and also the countertops, and recycled. In its place will be new cabinetry put in using no formaldehyde glues. Also, the laminate countertops will be made of recycled components with no VOC glues. The appliances, there's only a stove here now, but the appliances will be Energy Star appliances, very energy efficient. The plumbing fixtures and all the fixtures in the homes will be energy reducing fixtures, thus saving water. As I said earlier, the windows will be replaced. The windows currently in here don't meet the standards for energy efficiency. The new windows will have a low E coating. The double pane windows will be argon filled gas. Thus, they'll be energy efficient and providing a savings to the homeowner. If we'd like, let's take a walk back here to the bathroom and I'll show you some of the other features that we'll be doing in this home. Let's start here with the laboratory. The cabinetry again will be recycled and a no formaldehyde glued cabinetry will be installed. New countertops. Also the fixtures will be a low energy reducing fixture. The toilets will be a 1.3 gallon per flush toilet. And also on the shower head we'll use a water reducing shower head, thus reducing the need for a lot of water and saving the customer and our environment our precious resource. Light bulbs will be compact fluorescent light bulbs, another energy saving. Also, the venting will be updated. Here in the bedroom, same thing as the other rooms. We're going to take out the windows, put in a high-performance window. The walls will be painted with the low VOC paint, and also any caulks used in the home will be low VOC. That brings up another point to the process, that it's important to collaborate with all of your subcontractors to make sure that your plumbers use a low VOC glue, the painters are using low VOC caulks, and the students are using low VOC paints. It's imperative that we maintain the indoor air quality. On the floor, as we mentioned earlier, the carpet will be removed and replaced with a green or a corn silk carpet, and the current carpet will be recycled. This is one of the rooms. We have another room located next door. Again, it'll be the same process. We bring the interior air quality up, we recycle and replace with ecological friendly products. At this point, let's take a walk downstairs and we'll see what we're going to do down there in terms of our heating and cooling system, a water heater, and then also some improvements from what the home was built originally to bring it up to a LEED standard. Hi, welcome to the basement of this home. It's an important room to show you because you can see what the house used to look like before these modifications were done. What our class is going to do is we're going to build a 2x4 stud wall, use blown cellulose to insulate it, and then drywall it. This wall was done the same, but if you can hear, it's hollow behind. The importance is that we need to do the same thing as we're going to do in this room. We're going to stud this wall, use a blown cellulose. We're going to make this more energy efficient instead of just having drywall over the existing foundation. If you can see up in this area here, you can see that a cellulose was blown in originally, which is great for ecological friendly. But the rim joist has no insulation value at all. What we're going to do is use a formaldehyde-free foam on the rim joist to bring that up to a high performance standard, and this room will then be very well insulated and should be very comfortable. At this point, if we'd like, let's take a walk over to the furnace room. We can talk about some of the modification and adaptations that we're going to use, again, to make this home a very ecological friendly home. Welcome to the mechanical room of this home. From first appearances, you're probably wondering, why are they going to replace this furnace and this hot water tank when they look brand new? The problem lies in it's an open combustion chambered, low efficiency. It's an 80% furnace. Same with the hot water tank. You can see that they both vent out. What we'd like to replace in here, what we're going to replace in here, is a 90% or a closed chamber combustion system. The furnace will be high efficiency. The hot water tank will be a power vented, high efficient hot water tank, or possibly an on-demand hot water system. Again, all geared towards using the efficient resources that we have, saving the homeowner energy and durability in the future. The smoke detector, which was here currently, all in the house, but this one here will be replaced with carbon dioxide smoke detector combination units, which again is a LEED standard. And you can see repair will be done to the makeup air that comes from the outside. Again, left in disarray. And currently we're hooked up for a washer and dryer, which will be nice. This will have to be made into a single lever system where you can turn the hot water on and off at the same time. Again, a LEED standard. If you'd like, let's take a walk over to this bedroom. We'll show you another area of the house that we'll be working on. As you can see, this is one of the last bedrooms of the home that we have not been into, but it's the same scenario as what we had before. Carpet will be replaced and recycled and replaced. Hollow walls, 2x4 studded walls will be put in its place with a blown cellulose. The ledge, which is a very nice feature in any room, will be replaced with, again, no formaldehyde, probably a corn silk plywood. The fixtures will be updated, again, with a compact fluorescent bulb. Any doors will be repaired. You can see this is kind of falling off the hinge here. And paints, caulks in this room will be all low VOC paints. And this room will be actually very nice once we get done with this. So if you'd like, let's take a walk over here. We'll show you the other bathroom that's located in the home and tell you a couple more features of what we'll do to bring this home up to the LEED for Home standards. This is the other bathroom that's in the home. Part of the sustainability is trying to use what you currently have at the home. As you can see, the tub is a new tub that's been put in. The modifications we'll do is we will add a paperless drywall around the top, which is a LEED standard. Currently the bathroom has no ventilation. Ventilation will be added. A 1.3 gallon per flush toilet will be added, and also a water reducing fixture. Thus, more energy efficient, more ecological friendly, and bringing it up to the LEED for Home standard. Any remodeling project, I won't say poses problems, but it poses some opportunities, and we have to be creative. One thing that we'll be doing is adding an energy efficient recovery system. We'll be adding that centrally located here in the ceiling. And another important point to note is that any drywall that's removed from this project will be recycled and then spread on farm fields, which is the final resting place for any recycled drywall. So again, the home will be done up to LEED for Home standards. It'll be energy efficient, a sustainable process for the homeowner in the future. It'll be a durable building, and most importantly, it'll be a high performance home. So the class is really exciting to take this home, to take what's been given to us. It was built on an old parking lot. We can get in, remodel the home from the standard it is, make it a high-performance home. And in reality, any home can be remodeled to these standards. We're trying to seek a silver standard for this. We're right around the corner from a gold with a few modifications. I see no reason why the GRCC construction and modeling class can't get that gold standard. So thank you for your time today, and we appreciate it.